In November 2005, China's first hydraulic core drilling rig, Explorer 1, manufactured by Cortech. This filled the gap of hydraulic core drilling technique in China exploration history. The quick rise of Cortech aimed to become the drilling equipment service provider, which has international standard quality, self-band service provider, which has international standard quality, self-band awareness, and product design innovation. For the past 5 years, Cortech successfully designed the CSD series hydraulic surface core drilling rigs, CKD series underground drilling rigs, and CMR series multi-purpose drilling rigs. All sorts of different types of drilling rigs has been sold to more than 29 provinces in China, which dominantly to be the China domestic market leader in hydraulic core drilling rig market. In January 2007, the first CSD 1300A hydraulic surface core drilling rig was exported to Australia. This was the first hydraulic core drilling rig ever exported to overseas market for China. Through the word of mouth, all sorts of Cortech drilling rigs has been exported to more than 20 countries all around the world, and complete with other brands. Of the drilling rod, the wireline winch is designed with rope arranging machine to avoid rope clogging. Customers can freely choose between diesel power system, electric power system, or diesel and electric combined power system. The drill head assemble has standard foot clamp and 4-speed gearbox, which supports from standard PQ to BQ core drilling. For different drilling construction purposes, different rig has different drilling capacities, varies from 300 meters to 3,000 meters. All drilling rigs have track type, wheel type, and man-portable type for clients to choose off. Concerning the popular 4 CSD series hydraulic core drilling rigs, each has its own highlights. CSD 500C is easy to assemble, and it can work efficiently in complicated terrains.
我是四川煤田地质局137队的动力头钻机机长郭云才。目前我们在那个攀枝花的米易县施工。YDX-18的那个钻机，就是它的性能比较好，稳定性比较强，就是转速提得起来，而且就是那个压力也跟得上，它就是提高了效益，适合于打那种比较复杂的地层。
我是山西省212地质队施工2处的机长郭庆兵。现在我们在山西省大同市灵丘县古道沟木矿施工。我们现在用了北京天河众邦 YDX-1800 机器，施工起来就比较容易。由于它打破碎地层，这个比较容易穿过，它的采取力相对就比其他钻机要高得多。这个样它的成孔率就比其他钻机要高。
我是来自广东719地质队的毛机长，我们队现在正适应北京天河正邦的 YDX-3L 钻机。我们在新疆汉美地区已适应4年，但是今年我们已连续作业7个月，2台钻机的振尺都已经接近6000米。我个人认为呢，这个钻机的性能比较好，也比较耐硬，在实验过程中呢，这个售后服务比较好。
我们是天津华北地质勘察局秦皇岛华勘地质工程有限公司。今年我们承接了承德大乌收矿区 ZK0702号钻孔的施工任务，最后选用 咱们天合众邦的 YDX-1800钻机。在近3个月施工中，我们感觉这个钻机从它的这个性能，包括厂家的一些售后服务，确实是非常到位，也确保了我们这个整个工程的顺利完成。而且这个孔深也打破了我队的单孔深度的一个新的记录，我们呢圆满完成了任务，加强了我们与天合众邦公司的这个合作的信心。
天合众邦
YDX-180的 A 型钻机，
作业效率很高，
爬坡力度也好，成孔质量高，
转速高，
操作台比较人性化。
天合众邦
YDX-3L
比较适合一些复杂的地形，
翻新比较容易，
成孔质量也很好，
售后服务也好。
选择天合众邦，就能选择无故障施工。
我们祝愿
天合众邦，
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 事业兴旺发达，服务地质沼矿，打造民族品牌。
愿天合众邦生产出更好的钻机，为地质行业服务。
感谢天合众邦与我们共创地质辉煌。
In order to develop the market and meet different geological needs, CKD 600 underground drilling rig and CMR 1000 multi-purpose drilling rig manufactured recently. The CKD 600A underground drilling rig is the first wireline coring drilling rig. The rig has complete instrumentation and the motor is equipped with intelligent monitoring. It can drill at any angle in the underground tunnel. It can also be used as normal drilling rig.